These sorting machines have an advanced technical core. With highly sensitive sensors, they are able to quickly identify solar product components of different materials, shapes, and specifications. Whether it is a small and precise solar cell or a large solar panel frame, the sorting machine can accurately classify. Its intelligent algorithm is like a wise engineer, according to the preset procedures and parameters, quickly make decisions and accurately allocate each item to the corresponding production link or storage area. At the same time, the stability and reliability of the sorting machine are also its outstanding advantages. After strict quality inspection and debugging, they can maintain stable performance in a long time of work. Even in the face of high-intensity workloads, the sorting machine will not fail or make mistakes, ensuring the continuity of production and the quality of the product. In addition, MECC attaches great importance to the maintenance and management of sorting machines. The professional technical team regularly checks, maintains, and upgrades the machine to ensure that it is always in top condition. At the same time, the company also continues to invest research and development resources, committed to improving the performance and intelligence of the sorting machine to adapt to the changing market demand and technological development trends.